We got the DeWalt Black Friday 2022. Guys, yes, at the depot, it's already here. It already hit the stores. This is what you're gonna see at the stores if you go to the Home Depot 2022 Black Friday holiday deals. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more toast like this. Make more to review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform. My subscribers and likes. So help out this channel by doing so. Yes, guys, lots to cover. I did separate all the brands by color or brand, however you want to say it in each video. So I do have Milwaukee. I do have, will have Rigid. I do have Makita, Ryobi. I will have all those videos already put out. Should be this weekend, by this weekend. So make sure you guys stay tuned, hit that subscribe, hit the bell. And also, when all these deals pop up, these random killer deals just pop up, the middle of night, the middle of the day, at your work day, whatever, whenever, I do post those videos. So if you guys are quick, you guys are able to get those deals before they fix them or they sell out. So make sure you guys do stay subscribed and hit the bell notification. Alright, we got the DeWalt Tow System 2.0. These are the drawers. Yes, the other time that we came into the store, these were broken. So already broken out of the box before they even leave the store. But these seem to be okay. Alright, so here's the deal. $99. This is down from $129. It's actually a pretty decent deal. It does include those weather stripping for the, if you guys want to have it in the back of your truck. Then you got the nice socket set that integrates with that system. And then $89 for the portable workbench, 33 Express. Guys, I can't stress this enough. This is a killer deal. Once in a lifetime, down to $253 after the hack. If you guys return that stand, keep the tool for $253. That is just a killer deal. I never seen this low. Well, I think I have, but it's rare. You won't see this at this price. I personally am still thinking of getting this. It's just a killer deal. All right, so $299 for this table saw. It's a 15 amp 8 1/4. Lots of deals, guys, to choose from. This is an 8 1/4. This saw has been solid. It's one of the leading in the industry's brand. Same thing with the miter saw. It's just killer deals with those top of the line tools. $99 for this 18 gauge precision point brad nailer. Got $19.88 for this max fit 25 piece screwdriver set with right angle. Yes, guys, this is a killer deal. That right angle by itself, it's $20. So you're getting all this all these bits for free. You got some nut drivers, a magnetic sleeve, some 1-inch Robertsons, some stars, 2-inch bits, stars, and then you're getting some more 1-inch bits there. And that finally, that 90-degree angled adapter. Yes, guys, do not buy that. Well, if you're into cabinetry, then might as well have the original tool, right? But if you're just gonna be doing an odd job here and there with where you need the space, you can have that adapter. You got the framing nailer. This is a 21 degree. You got the compressor with a nailer, but I don't see exactly what that is. I don't know if it's a bad nailer or something. It is a combo kit 6 gallon, $219, down from $239. All right, guys, so $199. That's a good deal, guys. That is a good deal for all three tow systems. Yes, that's a really good deal. $199 is a really good deal. So make sure you guys go ahead and pick this up if you guys want. I myself want to pick it up too. But all right, so we got the Tow System 2.0. This is the rolling toolbox. This is great quality. You're getting great quality. You can throw this on the back of your truck. It does have some nice weather stripping organizer. Lots of storage compartment or space. You got some metal latches there with some plastic. I think it's very robust. From the way I feel it, I do have the 1.0. It's lasted for forever. But the 2.0, I think it's a much better unit. Just updated unit. These handles are really, really rugged, and that's the way it looks. Doesn't that look pretty, guys? The yellow, yellow, and more yellow. 1688. You got a 2-pack of 6-inch jaw slabs, or yeah, jab slabs for the drywall. If you want to cut some drywall, Sierra de Punta, they call it in Spanish. DeWalt, it does have a nice rubber handle, and then you got some blades. I really like that. I do have that the knife. It's really nice. I like it. It's my go-to knife, by the way. 2988, 120 piece max fit combination. There's a whole bunch of bits in here. It is compatible with the T-Stack and the Craftsman Versus stack, I believe. You got some 4-inch bits to the left. If you guys do see right here to the left, some long 4-inch bits. They're great to have for the axis in case of tight space. You got a Tic Tac case, some 1-inch bits, some 2-inch bits here to the right, some more 2-inch bits, and another Tic Tac case there, and a magnetic sleeve. I really like that sleeve. That's really nice. So like I said, it's 2-inch bits, some 1-inch bits there to the right, some more 3-inch or 2-inch bits. Seems like they're stars. You got some drilling bits, some more 1-inch bits. So this is a very complete kit if you guys are doing like general contract. Guys, these are the Black Friday 2022 deals. Buy one, get one free BOGO deals that everybody's waiting for all year long. They are here. So let's get to it. These are all the tools that you guys would need and to get all those deals. $5.99, you get the 4-tool combo kit, 4 amp hour, 2 4 amp hour batteries, reciprocating saw, impact driver, drill driver. I don't know if it's that. That looks like a hammer drill. Oscillating tool, a bag, and 2 batteries. So, and you're gonna get 2 free tools with that one. $3.99. That's the 4-tool combo kit. Reciprocating saw, impact driver, oscillating tool, drill driver, 2 batteries, 1 free tool. And then finally, you're gonna get that the 4 and 6 amp hour batteries. That 6 amp hour battery is the bigger battery. It's the upgraded cells. 21700 cells. Definitely go for that battery. $149. You get yourself a free tool. You can choose from the sander, XR sander. You can choose the impact wrench, guys. That's a 1/2 inch impact wrench. I do have that thing. That thing's a beast. Flex bolt, 60 volt, 6 amp hour battery, circular saw, 6.5 circular saw. You got the reciprocating saw XR. It's okay. Max free XR router. You got the blower. That's a nice blower. Some atomic tools. Atomic bandsaw. Cutoff tool. That's what everybody's getting. The 3-inch cutoff tool. I don't see a need for it, but you know, let me know down in the comment section if you got any of these tools. You got the jigsaw, the rotary hammer atomic, and the XR grinder, 4.5 inch angle grinder. Let us know down in the comment section which tool is the one that you want to get. You can tell me from any brand or any hack that you want to do. You got impact driver, drill driver for $249, 2 5s for $149. Some sockets here, $9.97. So it does come with an adapter. These are 3/8 driven, or 3/8 drive. You got the bandsaw. You got the reciprocating saw. Like I said, this reciprocating saw is okay. Yeah, I think it is brushless. It is. Yeah, it says right there. So $229 on that one. That's the regular price. And you guys could choose for these. You guys could choose from all these tools for free. Single tools, not these. These are by themselves. That's the new 850. It does come with that kit for $249. And then this one, you got the blower, $179. I heard it's solid. It's not 60 volt or 80 volts, so don't expect 80 volt out of an 18 or 20 volt tool. You got this is a jigsaw, $229. This is a great value to get for that free tool. Remember, guys, the most expensive is the better. You're getting the most out of your money. $224 for this router. It is the XR. Then you got the hammer drill or rotary hammer, $219. This SDS 5/8. This is a small one, great for smaller holes. You got the angle grinder. This is the XR angle grinder with brake, $99. 4.5 angle grinder. And you got the circular saw. I believe this is the 6.5 circular saw. Yes, it is. So $219. Valid at $219. You got the impact wrench. I do personally have this impact wrench. Like I said, it's a beast. It'll take off your lug nuts just like Nothing, basically, just like butter. Just take them off, break them off, take them off. You got looks like, yeah, hammer drill, oscillating tool XR, reciprocating saw, impact driver. Looks like 2 batteries, charger, and a bag. $5.99, and then you can choose 2 free tools with this one. Killer deal. You got the 4-piece atomic kit, $3.99. That's it right there. I believe you can choose 1 free tool with this one. So 1 free tool with that. That's not a bad deal for that. And then this is the best deal. If you want to hack it, you can hack it. This is the 6 amp hour and the 4 amp hour. Remember, guys, I told you guys that's the 6 amp hour, 2100 700 cells. The upgraded cells, the better cells, for $1.99, and then you get yourself a free tool, bare tool. You can choose from this battery. This battery is a pretty good deal. I mean, it's not killer deal, but it is pretty good deal because you're getting there for half the price. So that's a 6 amp hour flex bolts, 60 volt, 20 volt battery. You can choose from that sander and then that cutoff tool at the right. So lots of good deals, guys. There's just so many deals. It's hard to be a YouTuber right now, especially a tool YouTuber, because there's so much around. I still got to do like 6 more videos for you guys, and I haven't had time. I've been so busy at work. $19.97. This is modular right angle attachment. Remember, guys, this is what you're gonna get for $20 with the other kit. But this is a newer version of it. So if you wanted the newer version, you pay the $20. If you don't want I personally just go with the older version. I do have the older version; it works fine. You got some black and gold there, 12 piece, $149 for the atomic with the kit with the 4 amp hour. That's the 21700 cells upgraded cells battery. If you guys don't know how that is, that's the yellow top. $129, your choice here. Reciprocating saw, one-handed reciprocating saw, or one-hand or circular saw. And these are all atomics. That's the circular saw. Alright, so this is the impact driver. It does come with 1 battery, a charger, or 2 batteries, charger, and a bag. And same thing with the drill. These are just regular drill drivers. 2 batteries, charger, and a bag. $99. You got 10 piece, a very basic drilling kit. If you're a DIY, you got a project going on, $5, guys, or $5.97, guys, just under $6. Killer deal. You got some magnetic sleeve. You got some nice bit holder there. Not a magnetic sleeve. It's a bit holder. You got some 2-inch bits. $9.97. Killer deal on that one too. Make sure you guys pick yourself a couple of those. Stack up for the year. Impact driver, drill driver for $149, down from $239. That's a killer deal. That's a really good deal. I really do like the atomic version of these. Guys, I'm going to go ahead and cut it right here. Stay tuned. I still got some more videos coming up. And if you guys missed my Milwaukee video and my pack out with the flex into pack out accessories, make sure you guys check out my channel. I do have that in my channel. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so you can buy more tools like this, make retro review videos. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.